Kumusta? Welcome po sa aming kusina. This is Dash of Spices. Today, magluluto po tayo ng baked salmon with lemongrass and rosemary. Pangdagdag lasa po to sila, kaya kung meron kayong lemongrass at rosemary, idagdag nyo po pag nagluluto kayo ng isda. Tapos po, nagluto din po ako ng asparagus and Brussels sprouts. Sa lahat ng mga misis na nandito sa Amerika, alam nyo na po kung ano yung asparagus and Brussels sprouts. I baked this outside on the grill kasi ayaw ko mag-bake inside. Mainit kasi. Our AC is already working so hard. Kaya advice ko sa mga misis, kung pwede kayong mag-bake outside, gamitin nyo yung grill kaysa sa loob para hindi naiinit yung bahay, di ba? So, ang sangkap natin ay salmon. Ito po ay wild-caught salmon. Ibig sabihin, fresh from the ocean and not from farm raised. Also, meron po tayong asparagus and Brussels sprouts. Meron po tayong lemon, sibuyas, bawang, tanglad, at rosemary. Ito na po yung mga dried spices, garlic salt, garlic powder, dried rosemary, Italian seasoning, garlic pepper, sage, salt, and black ground pepper. Gagamit po tayo ng oil. Ito po ay sunflower with avocado oil. Instead na butter po yung gamitin nyo, gumamit po kayo ng oil. And I spray the pan with non-stick spray para hindi po mag-stick yung vegetable. So now, I'm preparing my asparagus. Yung end po ng asparagus, i-discharge niyo po yan, tapos yan lang po yung lulutuin niyo. Kasi yan lang naman po yung makakain sa asparagus. Now, I'm preparing my Brussels sprouts. Hatiin niyo lang siya, half. Pero depende po yan. Kung maliit, pwede niyo pong lutuin ng ganun lang. Pero kung malaki katulad nito, cut off the ends or the stem. Tigas po to sila, kaya kailangan yung i-cut in halves. Then yung bawang na smash mo lang as a whole, di mo na kailangan siyang i-slice, basta nakasmash lang siya or durugin mo lang. There's yung pan natin, tapos ilalagay ko na yung isa pang foil kasi dyan ko ilalagay yung salmon. Sa Pilipinas, salmon. Kung pwede nyong i-bake yung salmon or grill, much better instead na i-fry nyo. Kasi it beats the purpose of having a healthy fish, diba, kung i-deep fried. So, andyan na yung salmon. Drizzle nyo lang yung oil. Tapos, season nyo na yung salt, garlic salt, garlic pepper, ground black pepper, sage. Pangdagdag lasa po yung sage. Tapos, imamassage lang, gently rub the spices on the fish. Tapos, ilagay nyo na yung fresh herbs. Yung lemongrass, tanglad, at saka yung rosemary, lemon slices, and the garlic o yung bawang. There's the bawang or garlic. And this is good to go. So, if you fold nyo lang yung foil to cover it. Kaya inuna ko munang lagyan ng spices yung fish kasi gusto kong mag-sink in yung spices sa fish habang prepare ko yung vegetable. Now, yung vegetable, pour over yun lang yung oil. Season it with salt, garlic powder, dried rosemary, ground black pepper, garlic pepper. Tapos, imamassage nyo lang po yung spices. Just give it a little massage to rub all those spices sa mga vegetable po. Then, add the sibuyas or onions. And then, Using another foil, just wrap this nice and tight as much as possible. Tapos, ilalagay nyo na po to sa grill on a 350 degrees heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. And just cover it and let it cook. After 30 minutes, there you go. Andyan na po yung salmon with lemongrass and rosemary and asparagus and Brussels sprouts with herbs. Napakasarap po to. Magugustuhan po to ng mga mister ninyo, kaya itry nyo pong gawin ito kung bibili po kayo ng salmon. Sana po ay nagustuhan nyo yung video na to. Sana po ay mag-subscribe po kayo. Salamat po sa pagpanood ng Dash of Spices. Hanggang sa muli. Ciao!